Alright, hey guys, it's me, Alina Knives, and, okay, so today we're going to be talking about brow products. I don't have a lot here, but I just wanted to show you guys what I use for my brows and what I personally prefer to use on my brows. Now, those of you guys who've seen my previous videos where I don't have any makeup on, you guys know I have, like, little bitty brows. They go from, like, here to here. It's not very much. So here are some products that I found that actually work for me and probably will work for you if you have very little brows, shave your brows, or have no brows. Even if you do have brows, they probably still might work for you, but I feel like this is not a widely talked about topic on YouTube, so I just wanted to bring some things to light that some brow products do really work really well just on the skin and not in your brows, if that makes sense. If you guys don't have eyebrows, you probably know what I mean by that. Okay, so first product I'm going to talk about is this NYX brow pencil. Now, this one is the Precision Brow Pencil. It also has a little spoolie, which people like us really don't have use for. It is all gone, so I can't really show you. But it comes out like a little thing like this. It's slanted. And you would just twist it up. Obviously, I really like it because it's empty. Probably seeing these little things and probably passing by like, oh, they're like 20 cents. They probably aren't that good. Wrong. These are actually pretty good. They stay on your skin. They don't really smudge unless you're like going like that or something. But yeah, they should stay on even without hair. This one is in the shade 04. This is kind of like a gray color. I like to use this one on the inner corners and then use a blacker one and fade it out. It just gives it that the gradient look. It's really nice. I do have two other colors that I use as well. These ones are by, it's supposed to be Fairy Girl. Look. I think it's supposed to say Fairy Girl and they just threw in extra letters. I don't know. Is this one. And this one is in shade 1. This is in shade 03. So yeah, those are some really good products to use on your brows. The only thing is, since they are so cheap, the shipping will take forever. Unless you find ones that can ship really, really fast, it's probably going to cost a little bit extra than like 20 cents a piece just because you're paying for shipping. But yeah, I waited about like a good 2 months for these to come in. So I use the Maybelline New York Brow Precise Micro Pencil, and that's what I'm wearing today. And as you can tell, these eyebrows are looking really great. I really like this. I feel like I'm going to go through a lot of these though, and they're like $9. They do come with a little spoolie, which is pretty on this side. Kind of just like the next product I'm going to talk about. It's very thin, and these stay on about a good 16 to 24 hours depending on obviously extraneous variables like sweating, or if it was raining, or if you rubbed your face, you know, stuff like that. And yeah, so they stay on pretty well. Now the last product, well, actually not the last product, I have 2 more products after this. Okay, one of the other products is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Brow Wiz. I have the shade Chocolate. This one comes with a very precise one, just like the Maybelline. It's very precise, just like the Maybelline product. It looks like this. Because you can really define your eyebrows. The other ones I really fell in love with was the Ka-Brow one. Now, this one's a little jacked up because I've used it so much, but this is the little wand it came with, and like this, you unscrew it. I got shade 05 because they didn't have anything darker at the time. They were all sold out of the darker shades, but otherwise I would have gotten a lot darker shade. But yeah, I really love that. Now the last brow product I'm going to be talking about is actually not even a brow product. This is an eyeliner. This is by Maybelline Eye Studio. Yeah, Eye Studio. This is like I said, an eyeliner. It's a gel. It's black. And I put this one, this is actually what I'm wearing on my brows right now, on top of the Maybelline. So this and this create that, which I really, really like. So that'll be it. Now, if you guys like this video, please subscribe and follow. I'll try to make videos whenever I can. No promises. But when I do make videos, I do make sure I upload a few at a time. And put the little notification bell on if you can. And also comment down below which brow products that you like or will try because of this video. Awesome. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.